That does look awesome. Hello, welcome to my take on the Bloody Mary. But you don't have to go down the shop to get a 20 quid bottle of vodka. All you need is a £1.85 bottle of tomato juice, sugar, and some bread yeast. We're going to turn this into alcohol, and then we're going to construct a nice Bloody Mary, saving you lots of money. So all we need to do, get half a cup of sugar in the tomato juice. Get that in there. I'm going to put a bit more in because naturally there's not much sugar in there. So let's just go another one. Boom. Now just shake that until it's dissolved. Why is it coming out, bruv? Now the sugar's dissolved, pop some yeast in, just bread yeast, nothing special, but you know what yeast does lovely? Ferment sugar. Beautiful. So cap on tight, loosen it a little bit just to let the CO2 out, no bad shit can get in, and no running down the shop for a bottle of vodka, for a Bloody Mary. It's all going to be the alcohol ready in the tomato juice. Lovely bubbly. Guys, the time has come. Bloody Mary. This has been fermenting for 9 days. Fragrant and tasty tomato juice. Yeah. This is going to be 12 to 14%. Now, if something's worth doing, it's worth overdoing. I have got horseradish, celery salt, black pepper, Tabasco, Liam Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, aka Worcester sauce, celery stick, lemon and garlic. Now, first things first, let's just separate this. Guys, whoever thought tomato juice was a drink, I just don't understand them. I've never in my life had a Bloody Mary, so you know, the first time for everything. But you know, the crazy thing is apparently the Bloody Mary was invented for a hangover cure. Vodka in tomato juice and all of these ingredients to cure a hangover. Do you know what would be better? Just a few swigs of vodka. Works every time. Not that I know. Right, just going to shake this around a bit. I did notice the top bit was almost transparent. And then the bottom bit was pretty thick. So is the alcohol sitting on top? So if I just drank the alcohol which was on top, is that dangerous because of the methanol produced? So does it need to be like, I don't know, any professionals, if you happen to see this, please let me know, because it just looked like alcohol was on. Maybe it's just the liquid is on top. I don't know, right? Anyway, let's do this properly, right? What we got? Lemon chunk. Yeah? Round the top. Boom. Celery salt. On a plate. And lace the glass. Smells nice, to be fair. Do you know what? Well, we'll see. Right. So, first things first. This is a clover garlic going in my drink. Clover garlic, there you go. It's just roughly chopped. We're going to add a nice few slaps of Tabasco, yeah? This don't come out very fast, does it? Right. Yes. Smells lush. Right. Worcestershire sauce. Give it a good old. Yeah, give it a go. Give it a good old. Right. Black pepper. I mean, let's be honest, the only thing this is missing is a Cumberland sausage and a ration of bacon. Right. Horseradish. Now, I couldn't find any fresh horseradish because I don't go further than Asda, and Asda is only by there. So I got the horseradish sauce, which I love anyway. So let's put a teaspoon of that in. Guys, this is like the beginnings of a soup or something. Well, apparently it's a drink. Right then. Done. Ice. And the all important, I haven't tasted it. Let's taste it first. Right, I don't understand tomato juice. I just don't understand tomato juice. But apparently this is a good cocktail. But we got to try the base. Do you know what? I'd never drink that. Lost my glove. Right then. Guys, that is not a drink on its own. That is not a drink on its own. What are these people doing? Right, I'm just gonna chuck it in. That's pretty alcoholic. This is going to be about 12 to 14%, okay? So now, to mix the ingredients, you just slap it like that. Yeah? Slap it like that. Right. Slap it like that again. You're just trying to mix it all up. Yeah? Without splashing yourself. Yeah. Right, mix it all in. Okay. I do feel rather than putting the celery on top, I do feel that a bit of bacon would be better. Right, let's put more alcohol in there. Give it one more whiz, one more whiz, one more whiz. Get the garlic in. Come on. Right. Right. Lemon wedge. Squeeze that in there. I'm guessing you shouldn't put the pips in. Too late. Yeah, celery. Use that as your stirrer. Boom. Lemon garnish on top. Now, that does look amazing. Just the colours, the red. That does look awesome. I just hope it tastes... Well, I'm not looking forward to it, but let's be honest. It's free alcohol. Almost. Down the hatch. Okay. I understand. Wow. The first thing is the mouthful of celery salt. Maybe I put too much on. I don't know. And the heat of the chili sauce. Guys, that's delicious. The fragrance, celery is overpowering, but it's nice. It's quite salty, but it's nice. Girls, don't lie. And the lemon. I'm onto something. This is a nice drink. The horseradish. Honestly, every single flavour is distinguishable. And maybe I put too much chilli in, I'm not sure. But it's quite warm as well. Tingling on the lips, you know? Guys, out of 10? We're going at 9. This is 9 out of 10. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I feel I could tip this over my breakfast and it'd be lush. Right, that being said, if you like these weird and wonderful experiments, check these out. Thank you for watching.